Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, Friday, almost weekend, September the 3rd, 2021. We have two puzzles left, tectonic with 4 stars and a binary puzzle. But first, I will solve this baby for you. Binary puzzle number 3342. Yes, before I start, I want to know what kind of binary puzzle this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Between 2 1s comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there 1. Now we have 4 1s in the first column, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 1s comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then we need to compare, I think. Here. Need to compare? No, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then we need to compare, yes. Do it for double 1, no. Wait, 101. This row and the last row. 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0. So we need to switch those two digits. With a 1 here, this should be an O. With an O here, this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1 2 3 4 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Finish in 3 minutes. All right. You need to compare once in this binary puzzle, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Quick to solve. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today in the additional 8 tectonic with 4 stars. Prepare for this one because it will be maybe a difficult one. See you then. Bye bye for now.